Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And in this video, we are going to talk about tips to start a freelancing and freelancing tips for beginners. Now, one thing that everyone should have is confidence. Build confidence in your site, like whether you're pitching to someone or whether you're just starting, you don't know anything, it's totally fine. I also started my journey and I didn't knew anything, but ultimately I just started learning and learning and learning my skill and upgrading my skill. So this is how you build confidence. So have confidence while pitching to your clients. That is the most important thing into the freelancing journey, because client will not check like how much skill you have. If you tell that you're a beginner, he will just check like how you can do it, or you can carry out by your personality, by your confidence. So number one thing is to have a confidence in yourself. Number two, upgrade your skill by learning and learning. So more you learn, more you will upskill yourself. So there are many free resources available on the internet. Free ebooks are available on the internet, and many much things are available. You can just hear podcasts. You can just hear anything you want to learn. It's everything available on the internet basically. So nowadays upskilling is very important, because if you're starting journey, you don't know anything. So you need to learn on online. There are many websites, so just start learning and upskilling yourself, because whatever the skill are you producing to the client, so on that basis you can charge accordingly. Let's suppose that you are charging for social media marketing, but you don't know like how the Instagram algorithm works and how to create a content and all this stuff. So you need to learn that at the end of the day. So by learning and upskilling yourself, you can charge more and more, and you can just charge whatever you want. But if you have a skill, so develop skill whatever you like. First of all, develop skill for your freelancing journey, because that is the most important part of the freelancing. Number three thing that you need to keep in mind is build network. Connect to freelancers on LinkedIn or Instagram, on which or every platform that they are already doing in good in that particular field. So you just build your network by just pinging them, by just DMing them, then how you are doing, how you did this. So ask them about like how to start and where to get clients, or just help them for free as well, because if you are helping someone to who is already knew everything, so you get to learn more and more things about that particular subject. So you just help around and you can just connect with each and everyone who is already there in the field, because you won't connect with everyone, then you won't get to learn anything. So connecting is very important part of the freelancing. Building network is very important part. So build network so that you can help more people and you can get more and more clients, because network is your net worth, right? So that is how like you can build network. On LinkedIn you can pitch, on Instagram you can pitch, you can just DM them. You can just say that I just want to learn something from you and how to do this. So they can really have, because I have built much more network into now freelancing. So if you just ping once or twice, you can expect that they will reply for sure, definitely. So build your network, which is very important in freelancing journey. I hope that you got knowledge from this video and you got to learn something new. And I will keep making videos, and just subscribe me for not missing out any video.